I do not have any charge. The charge is the oath you've taken, and the oath spells it out. Do right to every man and woman. Do right to your states and do right to the Federal Republic of Nigeria. At this particular point in time, it is my wish that your coming on board is to help this administration achieve its goal. Not personal goal of moving the state further. When we are done with our own, I believe that your good work will help whoever is coming to take over from us to also continue the good work in our dear state. So please, it is a call to service. You are the heads of your ministries, wherever you'll be sent to. You're at the peak of managerial level, of managerial cadre of the civil service, the highest of our service. You are the head, so you need to do the work as somebody who is at the head. Don't be at the head and make this administration to suffer, just like some of the ministries are making me suffer today. So I believe that your coming on board will bring changes and effectiveness to the system. I congratulate every one of you once again, and I wish you the best. Thank you, and may God bless you.
Ohekachi. Clear from here. Sorry, wait. Wait.